What is up, you guys? Alright, today this is going to be a tutorial, what am I on how to make a live wallpaper and how to enable it, and this is going to be a full step to step. I don't know if you guys can see my mouse bar. I do another video on how to customize your own mouse. So what you want to do first is download this app called Push a Video Wallpaper. It's quite an easy app to download. I'll leave the link in the description. So yeah. Alright, so what you're going to do, you want to type in on YouTube, say Dream Scene, or take a video off there and use it for this. So, to do a demonstration, I'll go to my history. History, there. Alright, so if I go to there we go, this one. So you want to go to this video here. I'll leave the link in the description for his channel here. Go subscribe. Just wait for it to load. So what you want to do is copy the URL. So to do that, you need to go to the Google. I would do a new tab and I'll do this quickly. Sorry, it's taking a bit of time, but it's all in progress. This also comes with sound with the Darth Vader one. There's also more. So yeah, I'll show you how to get the zombie invasion one, which I'll show you in a minute. Is this the one? No, hold on. Let's do it. Alright. Sorry, my chair is really squeaky. So, for a lightning one you can have. I need to download that one really, but you know how it is. Where is it? Oh, alright. It just doesn't show up here. So you can download this one if you want first. You've got a Luke Skywalker one there as well. I'll show you that one. I haven't got that one yet. You want to download this, just check if the video hasn't got anything else in it, it's just for us. So you want to copy the link. You want to copy it. And we'll go to here. Then you want to go add URL. Paste. And then you want to do add to playlist. And then here would be so this shows it works on both. It's both the same thing. And if you want to get rid of something, all you gotta do is click on it and press remove. Done. It's quite simple stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped. If it didn't, leave in the comment section and I would help you down below. So thanks for watching.